السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي ده الكنترول بتاع رابد ومسجل بلوف، فواضح ان هو من الاتنين الاي سي دول. هاخدهم من كنترول تاني بتاع فانتازيا، هو نفس الدايرة. Hello everybody, now I'm having this control unit and this one is for the 09J transmission, and it shows fault codes for solenoids, and as you see here these two are gone, and I will take the same IC, same number from another 09J transmission controller and put them here. You see here F50 44, and we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and on that one 6 7 8 9. I mean F50 44, that one is not 50 44. Now I will unsolder from that and solder here to these two. Okay, and this is after soldering the three from this control unit, and here is the three that we take out from that one. Hope this will work. Now I put the controller on the car and communicated with it. Solenoid valve 2, 10 brake, too much errors, clear, yes, gear shift, and all of them are not solenoid errors. Don't have solenoid errors. Maybe the ABS itself is disconnected, I don't know. Okay.